प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे,
तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे।
मैया को भावे है फूलों का गजरा,
फूलों का गजरा, फूलों का गजरा,
मैया को भावे है फूलों का गजरा,
फूलों का गजरा, फूलों का गजरा।
बालों में तेरी लगाने मैं गजरा हूँ लाल लाई रे, बालों में तेरी लगाने मैं गजरा हूँ लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे,
तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे।
माथे में तेरी सजाने मैं बिंदिया हूँ लाल लाई रे, माथे में तेरी सजाने मैं बिंदिया हूँ लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे,
तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे।
मैया को भावे है हाथों के चूड़ियाँ,
हाथों की चूड़िया, हाथों की चूड़िया,
मैया को भावे है हाथों के चूड़ियाँ,
हाथों की चूड़िया, हाथों की चूड़िया।
मैया तुझे पहनाने मैं चूड़िया हूँ लाल लाई रे, मैया तुझे पहनाने मैं चूड़िया हूँ लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, लाल लाई लाल लाई लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे,
तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे, तेरे लिए माँ प्यारी प्यारी चुनरिया में लाल लाई रे।
आज सुनो हम गीत विदा का गा रहे, दो दुखियारी पंछी बिछड़े जा रहे। Listen to the song of farewell as we sing today. Two unhappy birds are now going separate paths. Facing the inevitable, these two birds leave each other with tears in their eyes after enjoying each other's company for long times. These two individuals journey away in different directions, but the cruel world can never understand their pains. Today, they are reflecting on their happy days of old. सुनो हम गीत विदा का गा रहे, दो दुखियारी पंछी बिछड़े जा रहे।
आज सुनो हम गीत विदा का गा रहे, दो दुखियारी पंछी बिछड़े जा रहे।
बहुत दिनों के साथी आज जुदा होंगे, गुमसुम आखरियों में आंसू आ रहे।
आज सुनो हम गीत विदा का गा रहे, दो दुखियारी पंछी बिछड़े जा रहे।
अलग अलग राहों पर चल दिए दो प्राणी, निर्दय जग ने इनकी पीर नहीं जानी। आज पुराने सुख के
जय अम्बे माँ, जय दुर्गा माँ, जय काली महाकंकाली
Sitaram Om Shakti. This is the one and the only
Ambe Ma.
Shakti Sundays with Justin D. Anthony. I want to say it's a pleasure and honor to have you locked on as we play all these Yochen, Pujari Kabadas G2 and Grandma Rose. I want to say pranam and good morning to my Pua, Anita G2. I want to say pranam and good morning to Rita,
जय अम्बे माँ,
Doris Dairam.
जय काली महाकंकाली भद्रकाली।
Let me take this opportunity as well to extend greetings and say pranam to Debbie Aldu,
जय काली महाकंकाली
Rani,
भद्रकाली।
Nazardine,
जय अम्बे,
Ronnie Nagasar.
जय काली महाकंकाली भद्रकाली।
And of course, let me take this opportunity to say, broadly speaking, pranam and blessings to all those watching in Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Suriname, the various Caribbean islands. I want to say Sitaram and greetings to all those watching in the United States of America, Canada, the Mauritius, South Africa, and elsewhere. Wherever you're locking in from, wherever you're viewing this video from,
जय दुर्गा
I
माँ,
want to say, may the divine Devi
काली भद्रकाली। जय
bless each and every one of you profoundly.
जय काली महाकंकाली।
Today's Shakti Sundays will be focusing our discourse on
जय काली महाकंकाली।
Hindu funeral rites with a particular focus on
जय दुर्गा माँ, जय
the 10-day rites.
काली।
So please do me one favor in the first place.
जय
Share this link across your Facebook
काली भद्र
as we speak about Hindu funeral rites, the 10-day ceremony on Shakti Sundays.
काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी। Glory to you, O Ambe Ma. Glory to you, Durga Ma. Glory to you, Mother Kali, Mahakali, Bhadrakali, Kapalini Ma. You are Adi Bhavani. You are Sur Kalyani. You are Shivarani Vidhata. You are Tribhuvan Data. Glory to you, Bandi Maya, O Jagjanani Ma. You are Lakshmi, Saraswati, Bandi, Parameshwari. You are all Devis known as Adi Bhavani. O Bhavani, have mercy upon me. Please destroy all my problems and misery. Give me knowledge, wisdom, to know thee more and more, so I could be thy humble servant. Glory to you, O Mother Durga. Have mercy upon me. Have mercy upon me. Have mercy upon me. जय काली महाकंकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी माँ, जय अम्बे माँ, जय दुर्गा माँ। जय काली महाकंकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी माँ, जय अम्बे माँ। जय जय आदि भवानी, जय जय सुर कल्याणी, जय शिवरानी विधाता, जय जय त्रिभुवन दाता। जय जय बंदी मैया, जय जय जननी मैया, जय अम्बे माँ, जय दुर्गा माँ। जय काली महाकंकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी माँ, जय अम्बे माँ। लक्ष्मी मैया, तू है सरस्वती मैया, तू है बंदी मैया, तू है परमेश्वरी मैया, तू है सर्वदेवी मैया, आदिशक्ति जगदम्मा। जय अम्बे माँ, जय दुर्गा माँ, जय काली माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ।
पग पग ठोकर खाऊं, चल ना पाऊं, कैसे आऊं मैं घर तेरे। शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ। पग पग ठोकर खाऊं, चल ना पाऊं, कैसे आऊं मैं घर तेरे। शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ। हाथ पकड़ ले, अपने मंदिर तक पहुंचा दे। हाथ पकड़ ले, हाथ बढ़ा दे, अपने मंदिर तक पहुंचा दे। सर पे दुख की रहना नाही, नाम है जीवन, एक युद्ध है, संग्राम है जीवन। तेरा नाम पुकारा, दुख का मारा, माँ मैं हारा इस जीवन से। शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ। तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, उसने जो शक्तिशाली शेरों वाली माँ जगदम्बे। शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ। पग पग ठोकर खाऊं, चल ना पाऊं, कैसे आऊं मैं घर तेरे। शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ, शक्ति दे माँ।
करती हो।
भक्तों की चिंता हरने को, भक्तों की चिंता हरने को चिंतपूर्णी बन आई। कहीं पे दुर्गा, कहीं लक्ष्मी, कहीं पे काली माई।
कहीं पे दुर्गा, कहीं लक्ष्मी, कहीं पे काली माई।
Sunday's family. The 10-day ceremony. This discourse is taken from the Guru Purana, where Guru speaks in length about the benefits of this ceremony, what has to be done, and etc. Guru tells us in this particular part of the Guru Puran that for those who are born, death is certain. Death is an unavoidable part of life. That one must not grieve when presented with the aspect, with that phenomenon of death. As we begin now, speaking more specifically to the 10-day ceremony, Guru tells us that when a son performs the 10-day ceremony, he is liberated from the debt he owes via his lineage. So for the son, the debt that they owe in reference to their parents, the 10-day ceremony is crucial and critical because it frees that individual from the debt that they owe.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। वस्त अमोलक दिए मेरे सतगुरु, वस्त अमोलक दिए मेरे सतगुरु, वस्त अमोलक दिए मेरे सतगुरु, वस्त अमोलक दिए मेरे सतगुरु। कृपा कर अपनायो, कृपा कर अपनायो, जन्म जन्म की पूजी पाई, जन्म जन्म की पूजी पाई, जग में सभी को पायो, पायो
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। खर्च नहीं कोई छोड़ न लेवे, खर्च नहीं कोई छोड़ न लेवे, दिन दिन भरत सवायो, दिन दिन भरत सवायो, सत की नाव के बतिया सतगुरु, सत की नाव के बतिया सतगुरु, भव सागर तर आयो, भव सागर तर आयो, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, मीरा के
I want to say pranam and good morning to Mina Cromwell, my Akala family. I want to say pranam and good morning to Beta Breton family. I also want to take this opportunity to say pranam and blessings to all the devotees of the Sri Mahakali Durga Mandir, located at 9266 Springfield Boulevard in Queens Village, New York. I want to say pranam to Babita Maharaj from South Africa. I want to say pranam and good morning to Radha Dippo, Debbie Algu. And as we continue onwards with our discourse for today, when it comes to the 10 days ceremony, ideally speaking, generally speaking, however, there are some exceptions you must have in mind as well. But to speak in general, a son should be the one who performs the 10-day ceremony. If there is no son, then accordingly, it opens the door for others to perform the 10-day ceremony. Guru Puran tells us that when it comes to the death of a male, if that male has a brother, the brother's son may perform the 10-day ceremony, given there is an absence of a son in this particular case. The Guru Puran also tells us that in absence of a son, if there are no sons or the brother does not have any son, the wife of the deceased may perform the 10-day rites, according to Guru Puran. So the notion that we have always had before, that only males can perform the 10-day ceremony, it comes with certain nuances. Generally speaking, a son must perform the 10-day ceremony. However, if there are certain cases that arise a female may perform that rite. It is not exclusively said to be done by a male son, a male or a son. I want to say pranam to Shirley Lochin. Meena Cromwell would like to say happy birthday to her Guruji Harda Johnny Pasad, wishing him Bhagwan's blessings. This greeting is coming from the entire Akala family. I want to say pranam to Priya Bharat, Tara Singh, Sadna Sukhu, Christina Prashad.
आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ संत जना के लाजन को संत जनन के लाजन को कष्ट निवारो देवी माँ आओ शक्ति मैया देवी माँ आओ शक्ति मैया देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ आओ शक्ति मैया देवी माँ आओ शक्ति मैया देवी माँ देवन को तुम सदा निवारो देवन को तुम सदा निवारो रूप अनेक धारो माँ आओ शक्ति मैया देवी माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ महाकाली माँ महाकाली माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ जब जब वीर पदे भक्तन पर जब जब वीर पदे भक्तन पर तब तब जाय उभारे माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ रखे दास तेरा द्वार पुकारे रखे दास तेरी द्वार पुकारे अब मत देर करो ना माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ देवी माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ आओ भवानी माँ देवी माँ महाकाली माँ
I want to take this opportunity just to say the Sri Mahakali Durga Mandir located at 9266 Springfield Boulevard in Queens Village, New York, cordially invites you and your family for Mahashivratri 2026. They'll be having Mahashivratri celebrations on Sunday, February 15th, starting at 5 p.m. And they would like to cordially invite you and your family to join with them and receive the blessings of Lord Shiva on his night. For more information on Mahashivratri at the Sri Ma Kali Durga Mandir, kindly contact Pujari Kavirdas Jitu at 917-929-7150. That's Pujari Kavirdas Jitu at 917-929-7150 for more information.
श्री दुर्गा मैया दीजो सब दर्शन का श्री दुर्गा मैया दीजो सब दर्शन का दीजो सब दर्शन का दीजो सब दर्शन का श्री दुर्गा मैया दीजो सब दर्शन का श्री दुर्गा मैया दीजो सब दर्शन का
Let me take this opportunity to say pranam and good morning to Auntie Asha Tahal, Leela Sukhdeo. I also wish to pause and say pranam and blessings to Leela Ganesh and her daughter, Kishana,
शिवानी तू ही भवानी करे मैं
one of the youngest listeners and one of the youngest supporters of this program, Kishana, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. Wishing you many, many blessings
ही शिवानी
of the goddess Swarsati.
करे मैं तेरी
And of course, blessings of the goddess Kateri,
तेरी
one of your favorites.
दुर्गा मैया दीजो सब दर्शन का
I want to say pranam and blessings to Annie Morgan. I want to say pranam and blessings to Shirley Hariprasad. I want to say pranam and good morning to Shani Singh and family as well.
फूल दीना प्रसाद दीना ध्यान बिसरी जनका श्री दुर्गा माँ ध्यान बिसरी जनका फूल दीना प्रसाद दीना ध्यान बिसरी जनका श्री दुर्गा माँ ध्यान बिसरी जनका श्री दुर्गा मैया जी जो सब दर्शन
I want to say good morning and Sitaram to Kamala Badrasan as well. I want to say pranam to Oma Shamru Tahal. I want to say pranam and good morning to Pamela. Sherry Ramcharan from Trinidad and Tobago. I want to say pranam to Mahi. So as we continue onwards with our discourse for today, speaking about Hindu funeral rites with a particular focus on the 10-day ceremony. Now, what if the circumstance and situation arises where there is no suitable individual to perform the 10-day ceremony? You know, in this world that we live in today, many people change their religion, they become Christian, or for another consideration, they are unable to maintain a proper fast to carry out all these Hindu funeral rites. They consume beef and pork, they consume fish, they consume all these sorts of things. And they are not suitable. They cannot fast. What would happen for an individual who does not have a son, he doesn't have a wife, he doesn't have a brother's son or etc., that can perform the 10-day ceremony? What would be the solution here? Guru Puran tells us that a man or woman may perform the 10-day ceremony for a friend or acquaintance in the case that there is no suitable individual to perform these rites. When a man or woman performs the 10-day rites for a friend, they would have acquired the blessings of tens of millions of sacrifice, equal to tens of millions of sacrifice in their lifetime, just by performing the final rites, particularly the 10-day rites for a friend who is in need. And here is a reminder, my friends. While your daily puja is important, your sadhana, as I always speak on this program, I speak about the word sadhana, your daily devotion, your daily japa and everything, that is very important for your well-being and etc. However, when we perform these funeral rites, when we perform these final rites, when we make offerings to the ancestors under certain timings in Hinduism, contrary to what many believe, those confer some of the most significant benefits for the individual. As I have mentioned in prior programs before, for your jandi to have effect, when you perform your jandi and you want your jandi to have effect, you want it to be received. If you have not performed your obligations in reference to the ancestors, you know, during the time of Pitri Passion, everything, you don't do your tarpan, you don't do those offerings. The jandi that you perform is reduced in its effects. All pujas that you perform are reduced in its effects. So these offerings, when in reference to the final rites, in reference to all the offerings we made for the ancestors, they are the basis upon which your daily puja, your sadhana, your jandi for the year and everything will bear fruits, will have the potential to be more effectual. And here Guru Puran tells us even that if a woman or man performs the final rites, particularly the 10-day rites, for a friend who has no one to perform their final rites, that woman or man will be blessed tens of millions of times just by performing that act properly. So this is all for you to have the understanding. We're just simply touching a little bit here and there on this whole aspect of the 10-day rites.
जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। झोली पहनाय करी, झोली पहनाय करी, मैया बंधार भरो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। दयालो मैया ममता भरे, लाखों दुखियों को तूने विपदा भरे।
I want to say pranam and good morning to Priya Bharat, Patsy Ramdani Singh, Wilbert C. Charan as well.
दुखियों को तूने विपदा भरे। हम भी आए शरण तुम्हारे, हम भी आए शरण तुम्हारे, हम भी पे तुझरा ध्यान धरो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। झोली पहनाय करी, झोली पहनाय करी, मैया बंधार भरो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। आई दिवाली आई दीपक जले, तेरी कृपा हो तो सभी फूले फले। आई दिवाली आई दीपक जले, तेरी कृपा हो तो सभी फूले फले। सुख संपत्ति से घर भर जाए, सुख संपत्ति से घर भर जाए, इतना साल करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। झोली पहनाय करी, झोली पहनाय करी, मैया बंधार भरो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी पार करो। झोली पहनाय करी, झोली पहनाय करी, मैया भंडार भरो। जय महालक्ष्मी माँ, नैया मेरी जय ही महालक्ष्मी माँ मैया मेरी माँ
माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा ओम काली मंगाली ओम माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो ओम काली मंगाली ओम माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा ओम काली मंगाली ओम माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अम्मा वन 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 पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो काली मां काली ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो काली मां काली ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा हरे रम दये रे तालुम तालुम दये रम यंताये स्पारिये ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो यंताये स्पारिये ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो यंताये स्पारिये ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अम्मा वन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अम्मा वन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अम्मा वन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो काली मां काली ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा अयो काली मां काली ओ माताए उन पाना भूसे नान सावे अम्मा जय रम दये रे तालुम तालुम दये रम मरुरे
So as we're nearing the end of today's program. We've spoken a little bit on the 10-day ceremony performed in the Hindu funeral rites. As we just enter into our closing remarks. But before I close this program, I'll share a little story. But just for you to have the understanding of why the 10-day ceremony is so significant and what is the symbolism of all this. On the 10-day ceremony, you offer the 10 rice balls that are mixed with sesame, ghee, and water. And these represent a formation of a sort of an astral body. It helps to represent as well the separation from the worldly attachment or the earthly attachment. This ritual helps the soul gain stability. That is why it's so important to be performed. The 10 days, on the 10 days, the soul is released from confusion. And their attachment to the physical world is sort of removed. Right after this bhajan, we will turn to a short story and bring this program to an end.
सौराष्ट्रे सोमनाथं च श्रीशैले मल्लिकार्जुनम् उज्जैनियं महाकालम् ओंकारं ममलेश्वरम् परल्यां वैद्यनाथं च डाकिन्यां भीमशङ्करम् सेतुबन्धे तु रामेशं नागेशं दारुकावणे वाराणस्यां तु विश्वेशं त्र्यम्बकं गौतमीतटे हिमालये तु केदारं गृष्मेशं च शिवालये शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
I want to say pranam and good morning to Sushma Sunny.
ॐ नमः शिवाय
Thank you so much, Beta Bird, for always tuning in. Indeed, to all the listeners, all the followers, thank you for always supporting this program endlessly.
लिंगम निर्मल भासे
While I may not be able to individually express my gratitude for all your support and
लिंगम तत् प्रणम
thanks for being dedicated listeners, I want to say, broadly speaking, thank you to each and every one of you for always supporting this program and being a part of this program.
ॐ नमः शिवाय
देव मुनि प्रवराचित लिंगम काम दहन करुणाकर लिंगम रावण दर्प विनाशन लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
सर्व सुगंधि सुलेपित लिंगम बोधि विवर्धन कारण लिंगम सिद्ध सुरासुर वंदित लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
कनक महामणि भूषित लिंगम फणिपति वेष्टित शोभित लिंगम दक्ष सुयाज्ञ विनाशन लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
कुमकुम चंदन लेपित लिंगम पंकजहार सुशोभित लिंगम संचित पाप विनाशन लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
देवगणार्चित सेवित लिंगम भावैर्भाति भिरेव च लिंगम दिनकर कोटि प्रभाकर लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
अष्टदलो परिवेष्टित लिंगम सर्वसमुद्भव कारण लिंगम अष्टदरिद्र विनाशित लिंगम तत् प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिंगम
ॐ नमः
So as you know, in every program that I do, I like to share a little story that can help to enlighten us about Hindu spirituality, how we can navigate this world. Some type of inspirational story, some type of story that can have some substance. And today is no different. Today's program has focused a little bit on, giving a little bit of a summary on the 10-day ceremony performed in Hindu funeral rites. We have touched on some of the teachings of Guru. Who can perform the 10-day ceremony? Under what circumstances, and etc. We have even touched on what is the symbolism of the 10 days? Why is it given such importance? So as we are about to conclude this program with a short story. My friends, as in the world that we live in today, Many people are ignorant of the basic tenets of their religion. Many Hindus today are ignorant of the basic rituals, the basic elements of Hindu spirituality. And in turn, via their ignorance, they are the ones who will suffer tremendously. As a Hindu, you don't need to know every single thing. You don't need to know elaborate mantras and etc. But you need to understand some of the basic aspects, some of the basic rituals that are required in our various rituals, various ceremonies. Especially as it relates to the Hindu funeral rites. Because more likely than not, at some point in your life, you will have to perform a Hindu funeral rite for a dear loved one. So understanding the basic tenets of these ceremonies, these rituals, is crucial. You don't need to know every single mantra. You don't need to know everything in depth. But to have just an overview of what's required, it is crucial in this world today. Because in this world today, who can you trust to perform your rituals? Can you really trust a pundit in this world today? Not all of them perform the correct rituals. And there are few that are more nefarious. That will come and perform rituals for nefarious ends. This is why, my friends, there is a need as a devotee to be an informed individual. Know some of the basics of a ceremony that's required. Know the basics of whatever puja you're engaged in, so that no one, no pundit, can take advantage of you. Because in this world today, my friends, I know so many examples of pundits who come to perform a rite for you, come to perform a little work for you, and they blights you. There are many, many cases, many, many examples, even I've spoken on this program. So let me get back to the point. Let me get back to the story now I want to share. In Hindu funeral rites, the individual who performs the rites will shave their hair. That hair is collected as it is shaved. And we understand, by virtue of tradition, by virtue of what we have observed, you will take that hair and you will put it in flowing water. I've read under certain, in other texts as well, I have read that it is permissible to take that hair and to bury it as well. However, the tradition that we all know of, the tradition that we are all well aware of, is you take the hair of the individual shaved and you place it in flowing water. Well, I want to share with you a story today. An individual recently had to do their Hindu funeral rites for a dear loved one. The pundit took the shaved hair and instead of placing it in flowing water and etc., the pundit took the shaved hair, placed it in the casket with the deceased, and then the burial was done. So in essence here, what happened? Contrary to tradition, the pundit took the hair, placed it in the casket, binding the dead with the living in that practice, with negative repercussions to the person who performed the rites. So I want to tell you here, you need to have basic understanding of the ceremonies of your religion. This is your religion. The onus is on you to have an understanding of what has to be done and what cannot be done. I want to tell you here today, my friends, if you're not informed on the basic fundamental level, incidents like this will happen. Some of these pundits will carry out rituals that will have negative repercussions on you, or will play you with these rituals. Here, the shaved hair was placed with the body and binded the living with the dead. So the point I want to leave with you here today, my friends, be an informed Hindu. Understand the basics of all the rituals we perform. Understand the basics of everything. Because in this world today, you can't trust every single pundit. As I've spoken to you many times before, as I've given you stories, true stories, credible stories before, about the ways in which some, I'm using the word some, I'm not saying everyone, some pundits use rituals to take advantage of people, to do nefarious, to do questionable things. So be very cautious. To prevent these instances, you need to be informed. Know basics. You don't need to know all mantras, you don't need to know all sorts of things, but understand the basics of your religion, the basics of funeral rites, the basics of your jandi, basics of all these things. It will protect you. It will safeguard you and your family from being taken advantage. Because in this world today that we live in, you can't trust every single person that puts on that shawl. Every single person that puts on the shawl and wears a kurta. Can't trust every single one of them. Money buys many of them. And with the end goal of money, people can do anything to make more. I want to say pranam and good morning to Wendy Takardine, Patricia Gadraj, Bidya Rampal, and so many others locked on as well. This will be my final bhajan for today, my friends. Until we meet again on Friday, have a blessed and have a safe week. This is Justin D. Anthony. I'm bringing this program to a close.
देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गए भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज ना बदला, चांद ना बदला, ना बदला ये आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। Oh Lord, look at the condition of your world. What is going on? How much has man changed? The sun, moon and clouds have not changed, but the astonishing change in man has become a cause for concern. देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। आया समय बड़ा बेढंगा, आज आदमी बना लफंगा। कहीं पे झगड़ा, कहीं पे दंगा, नाच रहा नर होकर नंगा। छल और कपट के हाथों अपना बेच रहा ईमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। राम के भक्त, रहीम के बंदे, रचते आज परे के फंदे। कितने ये मक्कार ये अंधे, देख लिए इनके भी धंधे। इन्हीं की काली करतूतों से हुआ ये मुल्क मचान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान।
देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या होगी भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान।
जो हम आपस में न झगड़ते, बने हुए क्यों खेल बिगड़ते। काहे लाखों घर से उजड़ते, क्यों ये बच्चे माँ से बिछड़ते।